Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about powers and prime factorization. This is a topic that is seen in basic math, so we're gonna talk about it. So any composite number like 40 for example can be prime factorized. How do you do it? You can construct a tree, okay? So 40 is your basic, you start with 40. Then you find two numbers that multiply together gives you 40. For example, 4 and 10. Okay, now 4, you need to find two numbers that multiply together gives you 4. So basically we're trying to find all the prime numbers, all the prime factorization numbers. For example, 4 is split up into 2 and 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. And notice this one, it's you circle it because those are primes. You cannot go any further than that. So here 10, you can do 2 and 5, and then you circle 2 and you circle 5 because you cannot go any farther than 5. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, and 5, those are prime numbers, so we're finished. Once we have all the ends of the tree as prime numbers, then we're done. And what you have to do next is basically you have to write 40 equals 2 times 2, because you have how many 2's? 3 times 2, and how many 5's? 1. So this is the prime factorization of 40. You can also write 40 as in an exponent form, as power form, because look, 2, you have 2 3 times multiplied together, so you can write 2 to the 3. So basically the 2, and then how many times it's repeated, each factor is repeated. So the factor 2 is repeated 3 times, so you put an exponent of 3. Now 5 stays by itself because there is only one 5, so you can put a 1 or you can leave the 1 out. So now this is the power prime factorization of 40. So let's look at another example. For example, let's look at 75. So 75, draw a square, find two numbers that multiply together gives you 75. We can put 3 and 25. Remember, 3 is a prime number, so you can circle it. Now let's see if 25 can go any further. 25 can be split up into 5 and 5. Can 5 go any further? No. Can 5 go any further here? No. So you circle 5 and 5. Those are primes. 3 and 5 are primes. So 75 can be written as 3 times 5 times 5. And this is equal to 3 in power form times 5 squared, because there are two 5's. This is the prime factorization of 75. Okay. So remember, first you start with your number, then you start splitting up into two branches, and then each subsequent leaf you split it up until you find only prime numbers. Then you circle each prime number, and at the end you multiply them together like that, and then the final step is to put it in exponent form, power form. Thank you very much.